pharmaceutical storage, a few degrees can mean the difference between a safe product and a costly disaster. Temperature deviations beyond the MHRA strict ranges, whether 15 to 25, 2 to 8, or below -20, can lead to product spoilage and massive financial losses. Even if the product is saved, the paperwork is extensive and it's very time-consuming. At ICE, our maintenance contracts are designed to keep your operations running smoothly, no matter what the circumstances. With our 365, 24/7 emergency cover and 4-hour response time, we're always ready to dispatch an engineer at a moment's notice. Our team doesn't just prioritise your call, we have the flexibility to shift plan works to ensure an expert is on site to address any temperature deviations as quickly as possible. Our experience in this sector means we don't just respond to issues, we prevent them. By entrusting ICE with your maintenance, you're not only protecting your products, you're securing peace of mind. If keeping your pharmaceutical storage compliant and protected is a priority, which it should be, contact our team today.